Welcome, adventurers, to a journey across our incredible planet. Today, we explore Earth's most impossible places, locations that defy belief, shaped by forces beyond our comprehension, showcasing nature's raw, untamed power. These are the extreme corners of our world, where nature's artistry reaches its most profound and awe-inspiring. Our first stop, the Atacama Desert in Chile, the driest place on Earth. Some areas haven't seen rain in centuries. Its hyper-arid environment has created an otherworldly beauty, with vast salt flats shimmering like alien seas. Yet, life finds a way. Unique flora and fauna adapt to this harsh reality, a testament to resilience. The Atacama also hosts some of the world's clearest skies, perfect for astronomical observatories. From extreme dryness, we plunge into the scorching heat of Death Valley, USA, the hottest place on Earth. Temperatures here can soar, creating a landscape of stark, unforgiving beauty. Vast salt pans stretch for miles, remnants of ancient lakes, sculpted by geological forces over millennia. The landscape, though harsh, reveals a profound beauty, a testament to Earth's powerful geological history. From fire to ice, we journey to Vostok Station, Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. Here, temperatures plummet to record lows, creating a frozen wilderness unlike any other. Amidst this isolation, scientists brave the elements, conducting critical research into Earth's past climate. Their work in this frozen desert helps us understand our planet's future. Now we descend into the abyss, the Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth in the Pacific Ocean. Here, immense pressure crushes, yet life thrives in bizarre and beautiful forms without sunlight. Deep-sea submersibles explore this alien world, uncovering mysteries hidden for millennia. The trench holds secrets to Earth's geological processes and the origins of life itself. Finally, we ascend to the heavens, Mount Everest, the highest place on Earth, in the Himalayas. Its majestic peaks challenge human endurance, a spiritual beacon for climbers worldwide. The sheer scale of this natural wonder is humbling, a reminder of Earth's incredible grandeur. From its base to its summit, Everest embodies the ultimate challenge and reward. These impossible places, from the driest desert to the deepest trench, remind us of our planet's power. They are testaments to resilience, adaptation, and the ongoing geological dance that shapes our world. Let us appreciate these wonders and continue to explore the incredible diversity of Earth's extreme corners.